Yeah, we got the fire going low and slow. Getting some smoke action going on here. We got the Cave Tools rack full of drumsticks. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Just brushed on some Sweet Baby Ray, sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Yeah, we're having some fun now.